Welcome to KitchenNation PH. Ang ating recipe for today is homemade potato chips. Our ingredients are simple. Just a potato, salt, and cooking oil. We will also add water para mabawasan ng starch ang ating potato. And also para mas maging crispy pa siya. After natin hugasan, ikakat na natin into slices. I use a slicer na parang may mga plates. But you can also use even yung plain lang. We use a slicer para mas manipis pa ang ating potatoes. We will put the sliced potatoes sa cold water to remove more starch. And next, let's prepare the cooking pan. Put oil and wait for the right temperature. We can check the right temperature if yung potato natin ay kumukulo na agad once nilagay natin sa pan. And now, we're ready for cooking. When putting potatoes, isa-isahin natin para hindi magdikit-dikit pagkaluto. Flip it occasionally para mabantayan natin yung crispiness. And ayan, once na napansin na natin na medyo nag-curve na yung gilid niya, wait 1 more minute and ready na alisin sa cooking pan. And now, this is my desired appearance and crispiness. So, ready na alisin and put it on a plate with tissue to absorb the remaining oil. Once we're done on cooking, tap the crispy potatoes with tissue para mas matanggal pa yung natitirang oil. The next step is add some seasonings. You can add your favorite choice of seasoning, but on this simple recipe, I use only salt, but you may also add pepper in it if you want. Next is to shake it very well para maging even yung flavor sa potatoes. And finally, tikman na natin ang ating ultimate easy homemade crispy potatoes. Sobrang dali lang gawin and ma-enjoy ng buong pamilya ang ating homemade crispy potatoes. So try it today with your fam or barkada. Thanks for watching!